Hey there, digital enthusiasts! Are you ready to crack the code and stay ahead of the game? In this video, we'll unveil the secrets of Google's SEO update for 2023. So grab your notepads, because it's time to level up your online presence. Get ready for a game changer, folks. Google's latest update is set to revolutionize the way SEO works. Gone are the days of keyword stuffing and questionable tactics. Google is focusing more than ever on delivering high-quality, relevant content to its users. Content is king, my friends, and it's time to bow down. Google's update means that creating valuable, engaging content is more important than ever. Say goodbye to shallow articles and hello to in-depth, authoritative pieces that truly add value to your audience. But it doesn't end there. Google is getting smarter, and so should you. User experience is now a crucial ranking factor. Ensuring your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate is key to climbing those digital ranks. Oh, and let's not forget about video. Video content is skyrocketing, and Google knows it. Embrace the power of video to captivate and engage your audience. It's no longer an option, it's a necessity. Now, don't freak out just yet. Google wants to help you succeed. They've provided powerful tools and resources to guide you in this SEO revolution. So make use of Google Search Console, Analytics, and other invaluable tools to track your progress and optimize your strategy. Remember, it's all about the human touch. Building genuine connections and relationships online is paramount. Engage with your audience, encourage feedback, and watch your online community thrive. So, is your heart racing yet? Don't let this update daunt you. Embrace the challenge and leverage this opportunity to breathe new life into your digital presence. Thanks for tuning into Cracking the Code, Google's SEO Update 2023 revealed. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Stay ahead of the game, and we'll see you next time.